On October 18, 2023, officers were called by a CVS pharmacy reporting a large group of juveniles were causing a disturbance. When the officers arrived, the group dispersed into a McDonald's restaurant. Officers entered the restaurant to ensure that there were no further disturbances. While inside, officers were informed by the management staff that the group was no longer welcome to remain within the establishment as they were fighting prior to the police arriving. Officers attempted to communicate this to the group, however many of the juveniles became confrontational and refused to comply with the verbal notice of trespass. As the officers attempted to make an arrest for trespassing, the confrontation escalated, and the group began to interfere with the arrest by crowding the officers and attempting to interject themselves.
From the manager, if you just walked in, time to leave, or you're going to be subject to trespass and will be arrested. I gave you the warning before you came in. They didn't want you in here. Time to leave, folks. Time to leave. I'm not playing. Time to go. Time to go. 1, 2, 6, 4. I've got any more cars at McDonald's. They want you out, man. It's not, I'm telling you to go. All right? You don't want to go? You want to give me a hard time? No problem. You are giving me a hard time because how many times did I say time to go?
I want to use the bathroom.
How many times? If you don't start leaving, my handcuffs are coming on. First person I grab is going. You reordered? Come over here. You have a ticket? What about you? Do you have a ticket? All right. Just come over here, guys. Okay? Inside McDonald's. The manager wants the place cleared out. I got about 50 students just staring at me. Nobody's moving. No, time to go. I know you just didn't say what I think you said. It's time to go. I'm not playing around now. Listen, from the manager, he wants everybody out. Okay? So you either start leaving, I'm telling you that. Okay? I already talked to the manager. So you either start leaving, or we're going to start locking people up. We have other people here.
I've been here.
All right, time to go. Time to go.
I order first and then leave?
Time to go.
So what? Can I know why?
Huh?
Can I know why?
Because he doesn't want anybody in here.
So you mean mad people can stay here, but I
We're
got
kicking everybody out. We've got more cars coming.
There's all these other people here that's
So-
not ordering, so get them out.
But right now, I'm talking to you.
So you're dick riding.
Yep, time to go.
Yeah, so you're dick riding, so you're gay.
What is it?
So you're gay, nigga.
All right, that's what it is. Go. Time to go. You're not going back in.
Yo, who is you touching, bro?
I'm touching you. You're not going back
Like
in.
that, nigga.
Time to go.
Go. Come over here. That's my little brother's coming with me too, alright? That's my little brother's coming. That's my cousin.
No, he's not.
That's my little brother right there.
You're about to go. He's not coming in. He's not coming in.
Love him.
The fuck?
You're not coming in.
Niggas, what the fuck?
You go
Nigga,
for
I
my
know
good again,
my
you're
rights,
gonna get
nigga.
whacked.
That dog, you niggas can't touch niggas without no problem, nigga. Nigga. What are you gonna do about it, nigga?
We're gonna lock you up.
Speech, nigga.
You're gonna get locked up. You're gonna get locked up.
For what?
One of the
For what?
six
For
four.
what? What
Cops
time?
here.
For what?
He said-
Don't want
For
you
what?
here. You're about to get locked
Nigga,
up.
he said I can stay and get my food, nigga. That dogs, nigga. I've been locked up, nigga. I know my rights, nigga. Watch your fucking mouth, nigga.
Time to go.
You niggas can't touch no one, nigga. That's on dead dogs, nigga. Suck my fucking dick, pussy. Bitch ass, nigga. You niggas know you can't arrest me, nigga. I can say whatever the fuck I want, nigga. You niggas pussy, nigga. That's on dead dog, you bitch, nigga. You just gonna keep looking and not talk, nigga. Suck my fucking dick, nigga.
Yep. Last time, all the cruisers in the city are coming. If you're not saying down in, you're standing, time to go. You're under arrest.
What?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Rewind.
Back up.
That's the little man, bro. Chill. That's the little man, bro. Chill, nigga.
Back up. Everybody go. Take
Yo, nigga. Yo, why you grabbing my fucking neck? The fuck is wrong with you, nigga? The fuck is wrong with you, bro? I don't need to go on the ground. Oh, I said, fuck. What the fuck, nigga? Yo, what the fuck, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? Yo, get up off me, nigga. Yo, get up off me, nigga. Yo, get off me, nigga. Get off me, nigga. Yo, get off me, nigga. Get the fuck off me, nigga. Yo, my fucking neck, nigga. Get the fuck off me, nigga. Get the fuck off my neck, nigga. The fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Nigga, I'm good.
Ross! Anybody
The fuck
sends
is
you
wrong with
there?
this nigga? The fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? Slam me for no reason to shot some fuck you up. The fuck is wrong with you, nigga? The fuck is wrong with you? Shit's mad crazy, nigga. Nigga, I can stand up, nigga. The fuck, nigga? The fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro?
They're all recording.
Nigga, can I stand up? I'm good.
Go, okay.
Go, get him in the car.
Me? Have a seat. I gotta go over there.
For what?
Can you sit?
For what? What am I going where for?
Dude, I told you numerous times, did I not?
Told me what?
Pick up my AirPods.
Where are your AirPods?
Can I walk with you to pick up my AirPods?
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah. Niggas did not need to slam me after I told you I'm good standing up.
Dude, you were told to leave numerous times. I told you to leave. I told you don't come back in the store. I told you not to come back in. And then you came back in.
I don't get to eat shit all day. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get food if I need to get food, bro. It's like that. I don't
Why
care.
didn't you have lunch at school?
Nigga, I don't eat that lunch. Nigga, it's not good.
Okay, so that's your
Shit's
fault.
like, fuck.